Hey, so I got this comment, a question about the oil, like upstream, getting into the oil and gas industry as a college student. If you're in the university and you're currently going through your studies, one of the key points that I wanted to bring up is your internships. Like that is probably one of your most important parts of your college experience. Before you exit, maybe you're an undergrad, maybe you are a 4-year grad student. You're not in your master's. You're just at the bachelor's level. As an engineer, that's all you need to do. Mechanical, chemical, petroleum. That's kind of all you need is a 4-year degree. If you want to go on and get your master's, that's just icing on the cake. But you need to get into an internship. Your internship is going to make or break you. Like that right there, that experience right there is probably priceless. Like you can get into an internship and not get paid at all, and it'll be worth more than an internship. And it'll be worth more than an internship that pays $30 an hour, $25 an hour. Okay? Like as a college student, yes, you're broke. Yes, you need the funds and everything, but that experience in the relationship is the most valuable thing that you can get from an internship. So if I were starting over and I was going to get an engineering degree and I wanted to get into the oil field, it doesn't matter if it's upstream, midstream, or downstream. It doesn't matter, right? You need to get an internship. How do you get those internships? There's a lot of opportunities out there. The same websites that you go to, like Halliburton, they'll have a career site and they'll have a site where you can fill out an application to become an intern, to be come on as an intern. So it just depends on the company. Other companies you have to call in. Those are the ones that I love, because when you call in, you're able to speak to people, and immediately, especially if it's HR, immediately you have the opportunity to build a relationship. Hey, how you doing? My name is Javier. I'm highly motivated to get an internship with a company that is well defined or well established in the oil field in this market, whatever it is that you're doing. And I was looking on the website. I couldn't navigate. I saw the career side, but I couldn't navigate to the point to where it's an intern applicant. So, can you help me out on pointing me in the direction of interns? Do y'all accept interns? Like all those questions and you calling in, it's an inquiry where you can have the opportunity to build relationships. So if you are a college student and you're trying to get into the oil field, make sure that you are finding an internship. If you're working for free, cool, you're working for free. They're going to fly you out, or you're going to find your own transportation to the West Texas or wherever you're going. They're going to give you housing. They're going to give you food. And if you need transportation, they may give you the transportation. Okay? Finding you a way to ride with the crew to location, however it may be. Right? So, there may be some prerequisites that they may have. You may be required to have a valid driver's license here in America. So if you are outside of the States, it might be a little bit difficult for you if you don't have a valid driver's license. So finding opportunities, it may be a little bit more difficult for some, but that is the best opportunity. If you're trying to get into the oil field, maybe you're going to school to become an engineer, make sure that you value those relationships when you get your internship. Internship is probably the golden thing that you can do. The last thing that I'll say is AI is taking a lot of the upstream jobs. So make sure that if AI is a part of what you're doing, like looking for oil, there's already technology that helps us, sound waves and things like that, to see the oil and water underneath the ground thousands of feet. The technology is already there. Then now you're going to have AI. AI has already been doing it, but it's going to be more prevalent. AI is now going to be able to read that data, all the data that's brought back to the labs, back to the computer. All that data is going to be read by AI. So if you are a part of that industry, if you're a geologist, going to become a geologist, scientist type stuff like that, You want to make sure that you are keeping up with the latest AI in that industry. So that's a little bit next level. This video is not for everybody. This is for college students, somebody who is looking to go back to college, and you want to get into the oil field, or you already know you want to go to the oil field. You just want to know how can you get your foot in the door. You need to knock on the doors, phone calls. You need to be knocking on doors and trying to build relationships and get you an internship. Your internship is going to be your gateway into the industry.